To enable or disable camera cutout in Motorola Signature, first of all, let me launch the settings. So as you can see right here, we have our camera and we don't see the black line. So we can enable the black line or adjust it to the corners and etc. And to do it, we'll need to scroll down. And then on the bottom on the of this page, look for About Phone Information. Then scroll down again to Device Identifiers and keep clicking on the build number until it says that you are a developer. When you have this, then scroll up to the System and then go to Developer Options. Now we need to scroll down right here and look for this specific option called Camera Cutout. Okay, so I think it should be somewhere around here. Here it is. It's called Display Cutout. Sorry for me saying it's camera. So when we enter Display Cutout, we can hide it like this, so that way we can see the black line on the top. We can also change it to Corner Cutout or anything else that you can find right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.